Getting clients has never been easier. For the first time in human history, you can open your laptop, have access to hundreds of thousands of business owners that you can directly pitch your services to. That's why in this video, I'm going to reveal to you a simple 6-step cold email system that you can implement after watching this video to get clients easily in 2024. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to buy a domain. So if you're sending a cold email, what I try to avoid is sending an email from like an @Gmail, @Hotmail, @Yahoo, @AOL. The workaround around this is we just need to go to GoDaddy.com and we need to purchase a domain. Let's just say our company is called like leadmatrix.com. So I would type in something like goleadmatrix.com and I can see that this is available. What we want to do is just simply add it to our cart. We can add as many as we want. Typically, one domain can handle about 3 emails underneath of it. So you can assume each domain that you buy, you can send about 150 emails per day from that domain. So when you send emails using a domain, it's going to look more professional. It can redirect to your actual website, not just a Gmail. After we have purchased the emails, let's just say we're purchasing 10 emails, what we need to do is we next need to buy email addresses to associate with that emails. To do this quickly, we found that Google Workspace is probably the best and most trusted to actually send your emails from. You just need to go to workspace.google, and what's going to pull up is this. If you go to products, if you go to custom business email, if you click on get started, then you'll be able to jam through this, set this up, and create your emails. Each email is about $6. So just keep that in mind as you're building out this campaign. I would probably do 10 domains, 30 emails so that you have a pretty good volume of emails that you can actually send from. So now that we have our domain, now what we need to do is we need to upload them into a tool called Instantly and start warming up the emails. The importance of doing this is if you're sending an email, if you're sending a cold email and, right off the gate, you're shooting an email to somebody after you just purchased it, you're just going to be marked as spam, because what's going to need to happen is you need to start establishing trust with the email that you just created. So trust means sending emails back and forth, showing it that it is in fact a trusted domain and it's being used. So with Instantly, you can literally automate this. So you don't need to send a bunch of emails manually. You can literally do this in one stop. So this is absolutely paramount to do. All we need to do is we just need to go to Instantly. And if we click on add new, there's a couple different ways we can do it. We can add them through Google G Suite. We can do Microsoft if that's the route that you did, which is not what we did. Or you can also click on any provider and do a bulk import, which could make it really efficient for you. And plus they have a sample CSV file that you can pull up and just simply fill in the information needed here. But in this case, what we're going to do is we're just going to use Google, which is also highly efficient. So if we just click on Google, we need to first enable IMAP. So if I go to my Gmail and if I go to settings, if I see all settings, then if I find IMAP, and then I want to make sure that the IMAP is in fact enabled. Then we go back here, IMAP has been enabled. Then I'm going to click on the authorization. I'm going to go to my workspace admin panel. It's going to say click add app, and then we need to add in this app or the client ID name. So I go ahead and just copy this, go back to the Google Workspace, which will automatically pull up the apps. And all I need to do is add the app right here. Pretty simple to do. So once that has been done, all I need to do is click on login. My screen will pop up to verify that it is in fact me. And I'm going to click allow. This automatically added the email that we just added using the same process that you will follow. If we go ahead and find the email that we just added, we can see right here, this fire emoji is not turned on. So all we need to do is click on enable warmup. So what's happening here is it's going to start sending emails every single day to and from this email to start establishing the trust. This is about a 2-week process. It is paramount to do, and you want to make sure that you get this done sooner than later so that when you are ready to execute, it is warmed up and you will actually end up in the inboxes. Now we can see here that this email that we just added is now warming up and it is now starting to establish trust so that we can then do it. So what you need to do is you need to do this for all the emails that you just purchased. Step 4 is we need to get a list of leads. We need to start getting leads that we can start reaching out to and begin reaching out to once the emails are in fact warmed up and ready to go. One of the most important parts when it comes to building out your email campaigns is going to be, where am I going to get leads? How am I going to get quality leads? How am I going to build really good lists that I can reach out to? Because if you're reaching out to a bunch of random people, you don't know if the emails are good, you don't know where you got this information, then you're never going to see results when it comes to cold email. What we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and go to this little magnifying glass up here in Lead Finder. We can filter by job titles, location, industry, employees, revenue, keyword filter, lookalike domain, domains, job listing, technology, news, funding type, department, management levels, name, company name, and so much more. For this case, what we're going to do, we're going after like med spas, for example. So I'm going to do a keyword filter, medical spa, med spa, and as we can see, this pulled up around 8,320 results. So I'm gonna go ahead and also filter a little bit more by management levels. We'll do C level, VP level, and director level. So as we can see here, we have a list of 53,000 leads now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do United States, maybe. Cool, down to 37,000. I'm gonna go ahead and change the C level type. I just want 10,000 people that I can reach out to. So I'm gonna go ahead and click save, C level spa owners. Now what we need to start doing is building out the campaign. Now if we go to campaigns, if we go to add new, we're gonna do Med Spas USA. We're gonna click on continue. Then all I'm gonna have to do is just import my leads from the lead finder, which we can see here. I'll just select this page here. I'm gonna add them to the Med Spas USA. So once I go back to the campaign, I can see all of the leads that are in here that are currently being verified. So as you can see, status is verified. Another thing that I love about Instant Leads Lead Finder is that it automatically verifies them. So what you don't want to do is you don't want to buy a list of leads and end up sending a bunch of emails and half of them get bounced. That's going to wreck your emails. It's going to wreck your deliverability, which is going to be a bad news for any future campaigns that you try to use using that same email. So Instantly is literally just verifying the leads for you, which is awesome. So you're only paying for the actual verified lead. After the campaign has been built, all we need to do is we need to start going to sequences. This is where we're able to actually build out the campaign and write the email copy. So a couple principles when it comes to email copy that I want to share is, one, you need to know your offer. It needs to be really specific. It needs to solve the pain points of your customers. Two, you need to know the pain points of your customers, what actually you solve for your customers. Three, a unique selling proposition will really help you. So naming your offer, naming your unique selling proposition so that you can pique even more curiosity from your prospects. And then four would be having a guarantee. This could be a satisfaction guarantee. This could be a results type of guarantee. And then lastly, a case study. If you do have case studies, that's going to set you up for a win. So starting with the subject line, I would probably just do something like personable. Like what we don't want to do is send an email that's like spammy or just seems like a generic email blast. So now let's go ahead and just kind of apply some of the principles that I just shared. First things first that we want to do when writing a cold email is personalization. So personalization is proven to increase your open rates, increase the responses. A personalization will be super key, and there's a couple ways that we can do it. If we go to our lead list, we can click on this little brain here, and we can use Instantly AI's ChatGPT to create a column with a bunch of unique opening sentences or a company compliment or personalized first lines. Option number two is we can do a personalization based off of like the location of the leads. We could do a personalization based off of the company name. We could do a personalization based off of the industry. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and clean up the company name just to make sure that the company name's in fact dialed in and it's going to make sense. For the personalization, I'm just going to write one out really quick. Found you on LinkedIn, super impressed by your growth and wanted to reach out. Then on the second line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a offer and then the unique selling proposition. So reason for my reach out is because we've been helping a lot of med spas generate 10 new Botox clients per month using our Botox lead gen social system. Thought you could be a fit as we have a spot open in your area. Is it okay if I shoot you over a personalized video on how it works? Cheers, Austin Schneider. See you. And then a best guarantee until we do. So here's an example email that you guys can write. Personalized line using Instantly's AI, using something specific about their location, getting creative with that. And then the second line is going to be reason for your reach out is your offer, essentially, like what it is that you're doing to help solve their specific pain points, and then what your unique selling proposition is. And then our call to action is going to be, is it okay if I shoot you over a personalized video on how it works? And then we also have the PS guarantee. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click save. And what we want to do is we want to use the same principles for about 4 different different emails. So we'll spread them out about 2 days apart. Like let's just say in the second one, we want to include a case study here. And then we want to also include another case study. If you have them, great. And then you could do like another PS guarantee here. This one, I'll typically do like a last chance email, which is like A, I'm interested, B, not interested, C, I'm retired, D, send me more info. Something along those lines to actually get their attention. The last step that we want to do is we want to launch the campaign and start monitoring it. If we go ahead from our sequences, if we go to schedule, we can go ahead and select the schedule that we want to do. So let's just say we want to do Monday through Sunday, which will be every single day of the week. We want to do 6 a.m. Let's call it 10 a.m. for just hammer in the morning time. If we go ahead and click on save, then we can go to options. Then all we need to do is select the emails that we added into our instantly that's currently warming up. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck the stop on auto reply, and I'm going to go ahead and click on launch. So now that we launch, if we go to our analytics, we'll be able to see all of the responses, how our campaign is doing from a sent perspective, from an open perspective, reply rate, and how many opportunities are coming from that. Then if I go to my Unibox, I'll be able to see all of the responses from the people that we're reaching out to, and I can simply monitor them. I can simply adjust their status based off of the response, which will allow me to quickly see who's interested, who booked a meeting, who I had a meeting with, and much, much more. I can also do this by specific campaigns and then look into my CRM and see all of the leads that have come from this specific campaign. So what's important to do is you need to launch, monitor, analyze, and test. It's important that you're creating multiple campaigns, multiple different angles for multiple different niches. Like for example, med spa, you could create one that's, med spas in Seattle, med spas in a specific location. You can use the location as a personalized line. Just don't create one campaign and think that you're going to get massive results. We need to test, we need to monitor, we need to analyze, we need to see what's working well, we need to see what's not working well. We need to find the sweet spot as it pertains to our cold email strategy. And guys, I always get asked, okay, what result should I see? Let's just say we send 10,000 emails. We can typically see around a 70 to 90% open rate, which would be about 7,000 opens. And from the 10,000 emails, we could typically run for like a 3 to 5% reply rate, which would be about 300 replies from just 10,000 emails, which if we're sending 1,500 a day, that's just about a little over a week's time. So if we get 300 replies, then what I typically see if we use copy that is trying to send them more information about something that we're offering, it's usually about a 20 to 40% positive reply rate from the replies. So from 300 replies, we could get 60 positive replies. And then of the 60 positive replies, let's just say we convert 30 to an appointment. Then it comes down to you actually closing the deal. So let's just say you have a 20% close rate. That's going to be 6 deals from 10,000 emails sent if done effectively. And if your offer is really good, if your copy is really good, and that could be a goal worth shooting for your email campaigns. And that's really the full cold email system that you can steal to start landing clients in 2024. And if you're curious about the software that I use to scrape the leads, to write the cold email copy, to set up the campaigns, I used Instantly AI, which you can get down below in the description and check it out yourself. And if you want to learn about the best client acquisition strategy of 2024, you can go ahead and click on this video over here. If you found this video useful or interesting, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos just like this one. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.